So this style is glamorous, it's sophisticated looking, yet you can really make it casual. Can we get an ear tuck? Yes, we can. Can you get some volume and lift? Yes, you can. I purchased this style from Wig Studio One. You can find it there too. I've attached a product link below this video, so if you go below the video and expand the description box, you'll find that product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. Remember, if you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Flying solo is one of those glamorous, classically inspired, straight mid-length bob style cuts. This is made from the True to Life fiber by Raquel Welch, which is heat friendly. So remember that, and all of the heat friendly colors are available on this style. So I have it here in Shaded Ice Sweet Cream, which is RL1622 SS. I actually meant to order it in RL1923 SS, my favorite shaded biscuit. I made a mistake, but it's absolutely beautiful. You're gonna find that this is a little bit cooler compared to that shaded biscuit. So this color starts with like a medium ash blonde, and then it's heavily iced or highlighted with a white, a toned white. Could be a platinum as well, but platinums tend to be a little more glare. This one is more muted, powdery, toned looking. So that white is really gonna come through on this ash to make it a super cool, light blonde, nearly platinum tone. And then you're going to see a medium to light brown root. Now the rooting does look a little bit darker under this lighting. My camera tends to exaggerate contrast. So I'll try to give you a look in the outside light as well, but it's really well done. It's an ash tone brown root. So you're not getting any brassy tones anywhere on this style. No yellow is coming through. This is a true cool ash color. Okay, so what did I do with this right out of the box? I gave it my normal shake and rake just to wake up the fiber. I put my fingers in and immediately started to train these pieces out of the face, because with this 6.5 inch fringe in these forward sweeping sides, it does tend to get in the face, but this is easily remedied. I just use the heat from my hand to create the lift and contour, and then just use repetitive motions to train the wig away from the face. I love how it separates and gives just a little bit of feathering. So that 6.5 inch fringe separates from those longer layers on the sides, and it just gives it such a cute wispy look around the face, and it tends to stay that way. I love the movement on this one as well. Overall, we're looking at around 12 inches. And it has, like I say, that little bit of bend at the bottom, which is a perpetual kind of a forward movement. Now, do you have to have that? No, you don't. You can use your heat tools to change that up a little bit. And I think I rather like this just because it's such a flattering look around the face, especially with the turtleneck. Really into turtlenecks right now. It's cold out there, guys. And I love how it frames the face with any kind of top that you want to wear. But again, I'm just going to keep training that away just to separate that layering and give me a little bit of contour where it's most flattering for me. It feels really lightweight on the head. It's just under 4 ounces. I think maybe 3.5 ounces is the measurement on the weight for this style. It feels really lightweight. It features that luxe light cap. We're going to get into that in just a moment. I want to describe this density though first. This is your nice kind of a lush density that Raquel Welch is so well known for. It gives you that glamorous look, that full-bodied swing and movement. So Flying Solo features that new lug slide cap by Raquel Welch. I'm going to put up some pictures here to show you. So it is a partially hand-tied cap. You won't find any permatease, no palpable permatease on any of the cap areas here. And that helps keep the profile in shape. Don't you think? It's not too wide on the sides. Sometimes with those classically inspired bobs, you get a lot of permatease. It just becomes a little too much. This one is rather slim to the head because of that reason. And the other reason is because it is partially hand-tied. So you're going to see that hand-tied lace front that moves seamlessly into a left monofilament side part. And it does extend back into the ear tab. It is hand tied. The knots are beautiful. Let's take a look. See that knotting process? Absolutely gorgeous. A fine knotting process there. And the lace, the monofilament lace material is absolutely sheer. Now on the rest of the cap, you're going to see some cluster knotting in the other type of panels. So even if you wanted to shift this part, you are still not going to get any difference. You're going to see through to the illusion of scalp. You're certainly not going to see wefts because there aren't any up there. There is some integrated wefting at the back that just kind of sturdies the cap. I really love a hand-tied cap, but sometimes it feels like it's shifty, right? And this cap here is very sturdy and strong, yet super comfortable. You're going to see where there is polyurethane on the ear tab and at the nape. This will help you if you have hair loss in those areas. It grips a little better. It's a little more secure and comfortable, but you can easily remove those polyurethane pieces from the cap as well. So I think this is a wonderfully made cap. It has that elastic. It tends to fit me average. I did have to cinch it in to accommodate a petite average circumference. I feel like it's perfectly average, and it does have some stretch. So you get those advantages as well. So this style is glamorous. It's sophisticated looking, yet you can really make it casual just by pulling out some of those layers. You might want to use some styling paste or something just to separate some of that layering around the face. That gives it a really cute, wispy, choppy look. And then in the back, you're going to see where it does coil around onto the collar. Now, if you wanted to take your heat, you could actually easily do an outward flip if that was your thing. So it can be adjusted and customized to your taste and preferences. Can we get an ear tuck? Yes, we can. We can get a nice ear tuck. First of all, no permatease. And the density isn't too heavy in those areas that would require me to use anything to hold that back behind the ear. And it's certainly really cute like that. I love bobs in a little ear tuck. Can you get some volume and lift? Yes, you can. So you just want to get up underneath the knots and just sort of prop them up. Now, when you do this, there's really no permatease to sustain that, so you're going to have to use some sort of holding product, some hairspray for wigs, or some styling paste of a certain kind. The more I play with this, the more I absolutely adore it. Isn't it the best? It's just the right length to give you some styling options without it being too long and cumbersome. Glasses are a home run with this style. They fit securely between the ear and the ear tab. Okay, so no having to tuck under the ear tab here. Very little permatease in that area, so a glasses friendly style for sure. Let's do some styling for this. I can't wait just to move it around. It's fun to swing around. It looks great just like this, but yet the more movement, the better it looks. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here real soon on TAZS's Wig Closet.